Good morning, respected sir, ma'am, judges, and good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
It is time for me to introduce myself. My name is Saraswati Patel. I'm daughter of Mr. Kismat Patel, Mrs. Kamla Patel. I live at Ratangi Kala in Katni. I am pursuing BSc third year from the Tilak College. I like nutrition. I just like Peter Guard. I want to be as my future. My ideal person is Sanrak Kumar. I am proud of India because I am. It is time for me to keep my perspective on the topic that is रहीमन धागा प्रेम का मत तोड़ो चटकाए तोड़े पर फिर ना जुड़े 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 गांठ पड़ जाए. Its topic totally depend on our trust because before keeping my waves I would like to also say one line that is the don't break trust of the people. Don't break trust of the people because trust takes 100 years for building and a minute to break and forever to repair. It means whenever we win the hearts of the other, means whenever we win the heart and trust of the other, so we think that when they are not thinking about us, so we need to break them relation. But as per my thinking, it is not good. And for explaining this thing, I want to also give one example because Pratibha has also given very fantastic example. But I have also that is the whenever we see the glass, so on that time before breaking the glass, it's look like very gorgeous and we can be able to drink water. But when we will break the glass, so on that time whenever we will stick of the whole parts of the glass, so it will stick, but there will be some scratches and you can't be able to fulfill that scratches. And whenever you will use for drinking, so on that time water will not stay inside of the glass. So same things also happen with us whenever we make any relation. So we must remember that our relation is very sensitive. If we will break and having listened the other person, if we will break the relation, so it cannot be able to bind again and again, and there will be some knots and we cannot be able to repair the relation. Because I have also mentioned that relation is very sensitive, and for explaining this thing I also want to give one example, that is the why we need to break relation and what is the reason behind it, that why we have to break the relation. Means that is your liarness is very harmful for our relation. How it's happened, because I have also watched shorts, that is there was the one boy and there was the one father who used to live together. But what happened, boy always used to speak lie and his father used to believe a lot of his son. But what happened, son always used to say that lion came, and his father believed that yes, my son is saying right. But what happened, suddenly one day lion came and he began to say that father, lion came. But his father began to think that he always used to speak lie, so I need not to believe again and again. And lion ate to that boy. So having listened to this example, we can be able to understand that if we want to make a very good bond with our parents, with our teachers, we need not to speak lie again and again. I have also mentioned that it is very easy to make relation, but it is very tough to stay in a relation. So by this I want to take my sheet. Thank you.